This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Open Safari or Chrome on your iPhone and go to Play. Google.com. Sign into the exact Google account used for the subscription. This is crucial because Play links subscriptions to account ID. Make sure you know the password or have two-step verification ready since you may need to approve a login. Once signed in, tap the menu or account icon. This first step locates the subscriptions hub so you can manage billing and cancellation correctly. After signing in, tap your profile icon and choose Payments and Subscriptions. This navigates you into the billing area where Google lists active subscriptions. Next, open Subscriptions to display recurring charges, trial periods, and renewal dates. That's how you verify what you're canceling and why. Tap the subscription you want to end to see details like next billing date and cancellation policies. Make sure you review the renewal date so you don't accidentally stop a different service. Tap Cancel Subscription, follow prompts, and choose a reason if requested. This completes the cancellation request. You'll see the effective date, either immediate or at the end of the current billing period, so confirm that matches what you expect. Make sure you get a confirmation email from Google Play. Keep it until you verify the subscription stops. If cancellation fails, try the same steps on a desktop browser or clear browser cookies. Contact Google support if the subscription still shows active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.